Have you ever tried to recreate Asian street food at home? Every street food vendor specializes in just one type of cooking. The most versatile street food cooking technique is wok cooking. One wok stall can make up to 50 different items. Let me show you how a wok cook, which you might find on the street, makes a dish. And you can use all these techniques to recreate this dish at home. In this video, I'm using 3 techniques, all by cooking in a wok. In one technique, we're using water to boil all of our ingredients to heat them up and cook them to prepare for stir frying. In another technique, we're using a dry wok with oil so that we can sear and fry an egg. In our third technique, we're using a wok to stir fry and combine our delicious sauce with all of our ingredients to make that final presentation. Let me show you how to make that delicious street food flavor in your own home. Here's what I'm working with today to make my street food stir fry. Shrimp, bamboo shoot, tofu, green onions, Napa cabbage, carrot, enoki mushrooms, tomatoes, soy sauce, curry powder, chicken stock, white pepper, sesame oil, and chili pastes. You'll use a little bit of this to spice up any stir-fry dish that you like. This is the hottest brand out there, Lao Gan Ma. Soy sauce. This is my favorite brand. It's Kikkoman. It is a Japanese brand originally, but it is brewed in America. And first, you'll bring some water to a boil. Add your carrots and let them cook for about 30 seconds. Add your veggies, tofu, and your shrimp. Add in the bamboo shoots and mushrooms. Cook till tender and drain. Next, heat your wok up until it's completely dry. Add some oil. And your egg. Give your egg a flip. Turn off your heat and set that aside. To your wok, add in some chicken stock, diced tomatoes, 1 spoon of curry powder, some chili paste. Give that a stir. Let that come to a boil. Add in your green onions. And your veggies. Add in some slurry, a dash of white pepper, some soy sauce, and a squirt of sesame oil. Turn off your heat and we're ready to plate. And there's our shrimp curry street food dish.